Understanding the phrase, to wear a long face. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel, where we dive into the fascinating world of the English language and uncover the meanings behind everyday phrases and idioms. Today, we're exploring a very interesting expression, to wear a long face. If you've ever seen someone looking particularly gloomy or sad, you might already have a clue about what this phrase means. But stick around, because we're going to delve deeper into its origins, usage, and how you can incorporate it into your daily English conversations. To wear a long face is an idiomatic expression used to describe someone who is visibly sad, upset, or disappointed. The phrase paints a picture of someone's facial expression, suggesting their face has lengthened due to their downturned mouth and overall gloomy appearance. It's important to understand that this phrase is metaphorical and doesn't mean the person's face has physically gotten longer. Instead, it's a vivid way to express the emotion of sadness or displeasure without stating it directly. The exact origin of "to wear a long face" is a bit murky, as is the case with many idioms. However, it's believed to date back several centuries and may have originated from the literal observation of animals like horses, whose faces appear longer when they are in distress or not content. Over time, this observation was anthropomorphized and applied to humans to describe a person's sad or displeased expression in a figurative manner. To help you better understand how to use this phrase, let's look at some examples. 1. After losing the game, the entire team was wearing long faces. This shows a group's collective disappointment. 2. "Why are you wearing such a long face today?" asked her friend, noticing her gloomy mood. This is a direct inquiry about someone's sad appearance. 3. He tried to cheer up his sister, who had been wearing a long face all morning. This indicates an attempt to improve someone's mood. Using "to wear a long face" in these contexts helps convey a message more vividly than simply stating someone is sad or disappointed. While "to wear a long face" is useful in informal conversations and literary contexts, it's important to know when not to use it. Avoid this phrase in formal writing or in situations where a direct, straightforward communication of feelings is more appropriate. Additionally, be mindful of cultural sensitivities, as idiomatic expressions can sometimes be misunderstood by non-native speakers. We hope this video has brightened your day and that you no longer have to wear a long face when trying to understand this phrase. Remember, learning English idioms and expressions is not just about memorizing them but also about understanding the context and emotions they convey. If you found this video helpful, please give us a thumbs up and subscribe for more English language learning content. See you in the next video.